5 ways to set up personal development goals. Unlock your potential. 5 ways to set up personal development goals. Are you ready to unleash your true potential and embark on a journey of self-improvement? Personal development is the key that opens doors to growth, success, and fulfillment. Whether you want to enhance your skills, boost your confidence, or find greater purpose in life, setting personal development goals is the first step towards transformation. In this video, we will explore 5 effective ways to set up personal development goals. From defining what you truly desire to holding yourself accountable for your progress, these strategies will empower you to create a roadmap for personal growth. So grab a pen and paper. It's time to take control of your destiny. Define what you want. What is it that truly sets your soul on fire? To begin your personal development journey, you must first define what you want to achieve. Take a moment to reflect on your deepest desires and aspirations. What areas of your life do you feel need improvement? Is it your career, relationships, health, or personal growth? Allow yourself the freedom to dream big and think outside the box. Don't limit yourself to societal expectations or external pressures. This is about discovering what truly brings you joy and fulfillment. Once you have identified your passions and goals, write them down in clear and concise statements. Be specific about what exactly you want to accomplish, whether it's landing a promotion at work, cultivating meaningful friendships, improving your physical fitness, or learning a new skill.
Remember that these are your personal development goals. They should resonate with who you are as an individual.
Authenticity, and let go of any comparisons or judgments from others. Comparisons are killers. It can really demotivate you because you are trying to be like others. Defining what you want is like setting coordinates for a GPS. It gives direction and purpose to your journey towards personal growth. So take the time to explore your innermost desires without hesitation or fear of judgment. Your dreams are waiting for you to bring them into reality. Set realistic and achievable goals. Setting realistic and achievable goals is crucial when it comes to personal development. It's important to have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve and ensure that your goals are within reach. Setting unrealistic goals can lead to frustration and disappointment, which can hinder your progress. When setting your personal development goals, start by assessing where you are currently at in the area you want to improve. Be honest with yourself about your strengths and weaknesses. This will help you set goals that align with your current abilities. Once you have identified areas for improvement, break down your larger goal into smaller, more manageable steps. This allows for a sense of progress along the way and helps prevent overwhelm. It's also important to consider any limitations or constraints that may impact the achievement of your goals. Take into account factors such as time commitments, resources available, and external circumstances beyond your control.
Remember that achieving personal growth takes time and effort. It's okay if progress is slow. What matters is consistency and commitment toward working on yourself. Set a deadline for your goals and stay focused on reaching it. You can reach any goal if you stay consistent enough and don't give up on yourself. Same goes for personal development goals. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. By setting realistic and achievable goals, you increase the likelihood of success while maintaining motivation throughout the journey of personal development.
Set a time frame.
Setting a time frame is crucial when it comes to personal development goals. Without a deadline, our goals can easily fall by the wayside and get lost in the shuffle of everyday life. By setting a specific time frame, we give ourselves something to work towards and hold ourselves accountable. When setting a time frame for your personal development goals, it's important to be realistic. Consider how much time you realistically have available each day or week to dedicate towards your goal. Set a timeline that is challenging but achievable so that you don't feel overwhelmed or discouraged. Breaking down your larger goal into smaller milestones with specific deadlines can also help keep you on track. This allows you to measure your progress along the way and make any necessary adjustments if needed. Additionally, consider using tools such as calendars or project management apps to help keep yourself organized and stay on top of your deadlines. Having visual reminders can be incredibly helpful in staying focused and motivated. Remember, setting a time frame is not meant to add unnecessary pressure or stress. Rather, it serves as a guidepost for keeping yourself accountable and ensuring steady progress towards achieving your personal development goals. So take some time today to set clear timelines for your objectives. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Develop a plan of action. Developing a plan of action is crucial when it comes to setting and achieving personal development goals. Without a clear roadmap, it can be easy to veer off track or lose focus along the way. So, how can you create an effective plan of action? Start by breaking down your goal into smaller, manageable tasks. This will help you stay organized and prevent overwhelm. Think about the specific actions you need to take in order to move forward. Next, prioritize these tasks based on their importance and urgency. Determine which ones are critical for your progress and focus on those first. By doing so, you ensure that your energy is directed towards what truly matters. Additionally, consider any resources or support systems you may need along the way. Whether it's seeking advice from a mentor or investing in educational materials, having the necessary tools at hand can greatly enhance your chances of success. Moreover, set deadlines for each task within your plan of action. This will provide structure and motivate you to stay on track with your goals. Regularly review and adjust your plan as needed. Life is dynamic and circumstances may change over time. Therefore, being flexible allows for adaptability. By developing a well-thought-out plan of action for your personal development goals, you increase the likelihood of making progress while staying focused and motivated along the journey. Hold yourself accountable. When it comes to personal development goals, holding yourself accountable is crucial. It's easy to set goals and forget about them or make excuses for not taking action. But if you truly want to grow and develop, you need to take responsibility for your progress. One way to hold yourself accountable is by setting clear milestones along the way. Break down your larger goal into smaller, manageable tasks that you can track and measure. This will help you stay focused and motivated as you work towards your ultimate objective. Another effective strategy is to find an accountability partner or join a support group. Additionally, regularly reviewing your progress is essential for accountability. Take time each week or month to reflect on what actions you've taken towards your goals, what obstacles you've faced, and how you can overcome them going forward. Remember that holding yourself accountable doesn't mean beating yourself up for any setbacks or failures along the way. Instead, view these moments as opportunities for growth and learning. Use them as motivation to keep pushing forward towards becoming the best version of yourself. By implementing these strategies and committing to holding yourself accountable, you'll be well on your way towards achieving your personal development goals. So why wait? Start today and watch as your life transforms before your eyes. Celebrate your accomplishments. As you embark on your personal development journey, it is crucial to remember the importance of celebrating your accomplishments along the way. Recognizing and appreciating your progress not only boosts your self-esteem but also motivates you to continue striving for growth. Celebrating your accomplishments allows you to acknowledge how far you've come and reminds you of the hard work and dedication that went into achieving your goals. It serves as a powerful reminder of what you are capable of and can propel you forward towards even greater achievements.
Also subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive more such useful and interesting videos.